Good morning everybody. I hope you are all okay. It's nice to have you with us here at Arm Candy. We have a lovely piece of mulberry for you today. This gorgeous ox blood and gold Mulberry Daria Hobo. I think this colour combination is unbeatable. I love it, I love the colour, and it's a classic style of bag, isn't it? I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So it's a shoulder. Here it is on me. As a shoulder, I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8. It feels lovely. It sits beautifully under your shoulder. It's like it's made for it. So, right, I'll talk you through the details, the features of the bag. So of course you've got the plaited top handle there, which is nice and flexible, so it molds the rest of the bag to your body. And then you've got the side studs there, and then on the front you've got the signature mulberry plaque there, which looks gorgeous. The inside you've got, I'll show you the top. You've got a zip on the top, look, to get in and out of, and then inside you've got one zipped pocket just there. Zip it up for you so you can see, and then underneath it you've got a flat pocket as well, and then you've got the lovely little mulberry tag there as well, and the little mulberry logo. So yeah, it's a gorgeous bag. I absolutely love myself a Daria. It is beautiful. So I'll talk you through the condition of it. So what we've said about the external condition is that it's in very good condition. The only reason it isn't excellent is because there's a little scratch just here, just there, and there's a little mark just there as well. But it looks excellent, it looks amazing. So those little marks are the only reason we haven't called it excellent. I think it looks fantastic, it looks beautiful, it looks like it's hardly been used. It's been kept in beautiful condition, so someone has obviously loved this bag very much before and really kept it nice. The interior we have called good. I'll take the line out for you. It's got the gorgeous, I love this lining. So the reason we've called the lining and the interior good is there's a couple of marks just sort of dotted about on the lining, and inside the pocket are some lipstick marks, but there's no rips, no tears. It's all in one piece. The stitching is all still beautiful, but there's just those little bits of signs of wear, which are why we've called it good. And the hardware we've called good as well. These pieces, they're perfect, they're excellent, there's nothing to point out. The zip pull is the still the gorgeous shiny mulberry. That looks brilliant. There's minimal scratching on that. The reason we've called it good is because, as they do on these Darias, there's some scratching on the plaque. Can you see in the light there? But if you look head on, it still looks beautiful. So that's the reason we've called the hardware good. So overall, this bag is gorgeous. It's just gorgeous, and it's in a gorgeous condition. I think it's a real steal actually. It looks fabulous. So if this bag is something that you want to see more of, if you want to have a look at it, see the sizing and everything, all the details, the pricing, whatever, it will all be on the website. We'll put the link to the website in the description below so that you can click through to the link. It will take you straight to our website to this exact bag. But whilst you're there, make sure you have a look at our other pre-loved bags and purses and wallets that we have in at the moment. We have so much gorgeous new arm candy coming in at the moment. You really don't want to miss it. Whilst you're on the website as well, sign up to the newsletter. If you put your email address in and sign up to the newsletter, you will get 5% off your first arm candy purchase. That will send you a discount code through to your inbox. It might send it to your spam, so make sure you check your spam if it doesn't come through. And as well, we'll put a link to our Instagram in the description below. And as well, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos, so you can see exactly what's happening here at Arm Candy and you can stay updated.